In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Telegram. If you've blocked a contact and want to restore communication, the process is quick and works the same way on both Telegram desktop and Telegram web. Unblocking simply removes the restriction, allowing the person to message you again. They won't be notified that you unblocked them, and your existing chats remain as they were. Start by opening Telegram desktop or Telegram web and signing into your account. If you're on the web, make sure you're on the official Telegram site in a secure browser tab. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one where the block happened, since the block list is tied to each account separately. Next, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines that open the main navigation. From there, choose Settings. This is where Telegram groups your account preferences and privacy controls, so you won't need to dig through chats or profiles individually. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section manages who can contact you and what they can see. Find and open blocked users. This is the dedicated page where Telegram lists every contact and username you've blocked. Think of it as your master list for managing restrictions. Now, scroll through the list to find the person you want to unblock. You'll see their display name and often their profile picture, which makes it easier to identify the right contact. If the list is long, take your time and look carefully, especially if the person recently changed their name or photo. On some versions, you may also see a search field to narrow things down, which can be helpful if you remember a unique part of their name or username. When you locate the correct person, click Unblock next to their name. The contact will immediately be removed from your blocked list. From that moment on, they can message you again, see your online status and last seen according to your privacy settings, and interact with you like any regular contact. If you change your mind later, you can always return to this page and block them again. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram and sign in, go to the menu in Settings, head into Privacy and Security, open Blocked Users, find the person, and click Unblock. If you don't see their name, it may mean you already unblocked them or you're checking the wrong account. With that done, you're ready to get